E-Tech 12, Introduction to Scales, Part 1. Class you've had in the files folder, uploaded your first assignment. I'm going to go over scales, first video, and introduce the subject. Okay, we've all heard of scales. We think weight, completely different idea. In the real world, there are items that need to be displayed on 2D media, either 8.5 by 11, 11 by 17, or 24 by 36. So how do we take and get those items that are in the real world not going to fit on these pieces of paper? Well, we have to either scale them up or down to fit on the paper so it can be legible to look at by somebody. Take, for example, got ourselves a baseball bat right here. Easy item to find that can handle and a little bit bigger than 8.5 by 11. Okay, so the bat is roughly that size. No matter how skilled I think I am, I'm not going to be able to draw this bat on this piece of paper. This is the real world size. Real size. This is roughly the size of 8.5 by 11. By 11. So somehow this bat needs to go through some mechanism of scaling to show it on this piece of paper. The other direction, have myself a quarter here. The quarter is roughly this size here. To show so you can actually see some detail on it, worth drawing. It's supposed to be the person on there. This is the real world size. This is the drawn size. So a larger item can be scaled down to fit on the piece of paper. A smaller item can be scaled up to look appropriate on the piece of paper. Introduction to Scales, Part 1.